Dune Rolling is one of the most popular events here at the Not Winter Games in the Canary Islands. But for the uninitiated, it's a little bit complicated. So we're going to give you a tutorial about how to do this sport properly. Technique number one, which is basically how you shouldn't do it. How do you feel?
Slightly sandy.
However, there is another way of doing this. How long have you been dune rolling?
In the 80s in Alaska, but it was actually in snow.
Hans-Peter, what do you think your chances are?
Maybe I'm the last.
You think you might be the dark horse?
Are you looking forward to the gold medal?
Thank you!
How do you feel about your medal?
Yeah!